I'm going to solve exercise 1B, question number 2 from New Syllabus Mathematics, Book 2, D2, 7th edition. Question is, if z square is directly proportional to w and z is equal to 4, when w is equal to 8. For part of this question, find an equation connecting w and z. Second part, find the value of z when w is equal to 18. Calculate the value of w when z is equal to 5. Draw the graph of z square against w. Now we are going to solve first part of this question. First part, solution. Z square is directly proportional to w. Solution is z square is directly proportional to w. Z directly proportional to w. This is proportionality sign. Proportionality sign change with equality sign. We insert k. Z square is equal to k, where k is a constant. We need find the value of k first of all, and for that we have given the value of x of value w and z. Now putting the value of z and w in that equation, z 4 whole square is equal to k, w is equal to 8, 4 4 16 is equal to 8k. To find the value of k, we have to divide 8 on both sides. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So k is equal to 2. Now putting the value of k in that equation, z square is equal to k is equal to 2, w, z square is equal to 2w. That equation we'll use in all part of this question. Now we are going to solve second part of this question. Find the value of z w when w is equal to 18. Second part, we will use the same equation, z square is equal to 2w. We have given the value of w is equal to 18. Z square is equal to 2. W is equal to 18. Z square 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36. Now we are taking square root on both sides. When we taking square root on both sides, it will be z square is equal to 6. Third part of this question, calculate the value of w when z is equal to 5. Now we will use the same equation, z square is equal to 2w. We have given the value of z is equal to 5. Putting the value of z square is equal to 2w, 5 whole square is equal to 25 is equal to 2w. Find the value of w. We have to divide 2 on both sides. 2 cancel out. 25 divided by 2, it will be w is equal to 12.5. For part of this question, draw the graph of z square against w. Draw the graph of z square against w. We will use the same equation, z square 2w is equal to 2w. Here we will put the value of w, then we got the value of z square when w is equal to 1. I will put the value of w 3 times. When w is equal to 1, z square is equal to 2, w is equal to 1. So z square is equal to 1. When w is equal to 2, z square is equal to 2, W is equal to also 2, 2 2s are 4, Z square is equal to 4. When W is equal to 3, putting the value of W in that equation, 2, W is equal to 3, 3, 2, 3s are 6, Z square is equal to 6. Now we will draw the graph. Here W axis and Z axis. Here we will take difference according Z square values. Sorry students, here is 2 multiplied by 1. So Z square is equal to 2. We take difference according Z square's value. Here we will take difference according Z square values, 8, so on. Now when we taken W is equal to 1, then we got Z square is equal to 2. W is equal to 1, Z square is equal to 2. When W is equal to 2, Z square is equal to 4 dot. When W is equal to 3 and Z square is equal to 6. Joining the dots carefully. Last point is W3 when Z is equal to 6. There is a directly proportional graph is straight line passing through the region. I hope student you understand it very well. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with friends. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.